Have you ever wondered how forex trading work? Have you ever wondered how a forex trader make money by buying and selling of currencies? Have you ever wondered how a forex trader make money when the USD goes up, and how the forex trader make money by selling the USD? In this video, I will explain to you how everything in the forex trading work. When they say a forex trader buy currency and when a forex trader sell currency, how do they make money and how do they lose money? In this video, I will explain all the basic things you need to know about the forex industry. Stick to the end of this video because you will learn a lot. You need all this basic knowledge to start your forex journey. I will explain everything to you. Make sure you watch this video to the end and share to others. Welcome back, guys. Today's lesson we'll be talking about how does the forex trading work. Like I've told you guys in the previous lesson that forex trading is simply the exchange of currency. It is just in a simple, no complication. It is the exchange between one country and the other, the exchange between one currency and the other. I hope you understand what I mean by that. So today's lesson we will be covering this topic that said, how does forex trading work? How do traders make money and why price move up? And also, who trade forex? Who exactly are the people that trade forex? And can anyone trade forex? That is the topic we'll be covering today. So for this lesson, in order not to waste much time, I'm going to start with how does forex trading work? Like you all have known the definition of forex trading as the exchange of currency. How does forex trading work exactly? Forex trading, it is the combination of two pairs. It is the battle between two currency, two pairs. Like for example now, we have, let me delete this and type it. Like for example now, we have Euro USD, Euro. Everybody, you all know that Euro is which people do use Euro? I think Australia use Euro. European, yeah, Euro. So we have Euro. That is the money that some country use. That is what we trader deal with. And secondly, we have USD. 99% of you are used to this. We have USD. In this sense now, we have two currency. Sorry, let me rewrite this. Sorry for the USD that I wrote it in the, but you all know what I mean by that USD. In this case now, we have two currencies combined together. That is what we trader deal with. We deal with two currency, battling, predicting what would happen next. As a trader, your main purpose is to predict which between this currency, which one will dominate each other, like which one will power each other in the next 1 minute, in the next 1 hour. So as a trader, if you predict that in the next 1 hour, Euro is going to go higher than USD, you buy. If you also predict that in the next 1 hour, USD is going to go higher than Euro, you buy USD. That is the main purpose of a trader. Okay, let me give you this example now. Let's assume that we have Euro to start at 1.17,000 at this time that I'm making this video, and we have USD, that is dollar, to stand at sorry for the ads, guys, to stand at 1.2 200. Let's assume in that way. In this case now, we all know that the euro is higher than the USD. That is, the price of euro per 1 euro is 1.17,000, and the price per $1 is 1.200. So if you predict in the next 1 hour that euro is going to change from 1.17,000 to 1.18,000, what do? You buy euro. But in the sense, if you predict that in the next 1 hour USDT is going to go from 1.200 to 1.18,000, what did that mean? That means it goes higher than euro. You buy USDT. But at the same time, as a trader, we all have two options. It's either we buy or we sell. What do we mean by buy? Buy means to buy from the cheaper price. When you buy from cheaper price, and when you sell from the higher price. Do you know? As a trader, your purpose is to make profit. You all are used to business. Yeah, as a business person, you buy. When you buy, your aim is to make profit. Your purpose of buying a particular stock is to make profit, right? So that is the same principle applied to forex trading. When you predict that euro USD is going to go up, you buy. And when you predict that euro USD is going to go down, what do? You sell. So you make profit in both directions. When you buy and your prediction is right, you make money. And when you sell and your prediction is right, you also make money. I hope you understand with this simple knowledge. And number 2 is, in order not to waste much time, I'm going to move to number 2. I hope you understand a little about what I explained. How does forex trading work? Like I told you that forex trading work when the two pair come together. It is the combination of two pair battling which one will go higher or which one will go lower. As a forex trader, you take action by the prediction. And number 2 is, how do traders make money? Like I've explained before, I've covered that in the how does forex trading work. How do traders make money? Traders make money by following the market movement. You understand what I mean by that? You make money by following the direction of the market. What will the market happen? If the market is going to go up, you follow the direction you buy. If the market is going to sell, you follow the direction you sell. That is how a trader make money. In a simple term, no complication. And number 3 is, why does price move up? I'll be telling you that, okay, as a trader, you buy and you sell. Why does a price move up? What always trigger the price to move up? What always make the market to move up? What exactly always make the market to move up or go down? Price move up by the influence of bank. Price move up by the influence of hedge fund. Price move up by the influence of political news, and price move up by the influence of inflation rate. Do you know what I mean by that? So I'm going to explain that briefly to you in order not to waste much of time. What I mean by price move up by the influence of news, like economic news. As time goes on, I'm going to explain to you guys what I mean by economic news, like news that you guys are used with. We have maybe something might happen. News like war might affect the market to either go up or go down. News like inflation rate. Maybe Donald Trump could come out today and say, okay, the inflation rate to export goods to euro might increase. That will also affect the market. Inflation rate. You are used to inflation. We are going to talk more about inflation rate. I'm going to take my time explain to you guys what I mean by inflation rate. But put it at the back of your mind that what moves the market, we have bank move the market, we have institutional, we have hedge fund, like people that trade the market, and retailers. We are the retailer, me and you are the retailer. We are not the one that move the market. Those that move the market, I'm telling you now, hedge fund, those people that trade the market with higher capital, those people that trade the market with trillions of dollars, like bank, like United States of America bank, Central Bank of America. You understand what I mean by that? They are the one that move the market. We have bigger investment, people that invest trillions of dollars in this market. They are the one moving the market by the influence of them. And political influence, like I've explained before, Donald Trump as the president of America might also move the market by throwing out a speech. It might trigger the market to go up or to go down. That is what moves the market. And the second to the last is who trade Forex. Who trade Forex is also related to why price move, but I will just explain briefly to you. Who are the people that trade Forex? Like we have retailer. I've told you people that retailer are me and you. We are the one that trade Forex. We that trade Forex with little amount are the one called retailer. And those that also trade Forex, bank. We have bank. They are the one that they also trade Forex. They are the one that also move the market. We have government. They also trade Forex. We have the large investment. Those people that has a big investment company, they trade Forex. And we have the hedge fund, or those that trade the Forex with bigger amount of money. Just the people that trade Forex in simple sense is me and you and the bigger people. And the last but not the least is, can anyone trade Forex? Yes, anyone can trade Forex. Me and you can trade Forex. Anyone can. Like, what makes the Forex thing interesting is that you can trade Forex even when you are at your bed. Do you get what I mean by that? But in as much you can trade Forex, anyone can trade Forex. You have to take caution, because for you to trade the Forex, for you to trade the institutional market, you have to acquire knowledge. You have to build knowledge. You have to get experience before you can start. You can't just come into the market blindly like saying what to trade for. You will lose a lot of money, because trading alone is very risky. That is why people say never you put in the money you are not enabled to lose into Forex trade, because trading is 50-50. If that you win or you lose. So for you to start trading, you have to acquire knowledge, and you have to study and continue studying to improve your knowledge in this Forex thing. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you find this video helpful, please do well to share, follow us for more, and share to others so others can also learn this. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. Support us by subscribing. My main purpose of creating this channel is to document my Forex journey. I am not proving the right. I'm not saying that I know most, but I can only share my simple knowledge with you. That is my main purpose of creating this channel. I want to share my little knowledge. I want to teach you the little I know. As I'm improving, I want also to improve, and we all are going to go to get it right. Make sure you share this video and support me by subscribing to this channel. See you in the next lesson.